Everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius Fire Sign. Today I am going to do a reading for those who are in separation and no contact. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. If you like my content, please do like the video, guys. Then it will reach more people. And thank you so much for supporting me. If anyone need a personal reading, I am giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me, and readings are chargeable. So let's see your messages. Right now I am at my mother's house, so that's why location changed. Okay, don't mind this. So let's see. First we will see the blockage in your relationship. The main blockage is there is no stability. Always one person is always in and out of this relationship. So the main blockage, no stability, and your person is always in and out of your life. Definitely no stability, and communication blockage also for some. So these are the two main blockages. So let's see your person current feelings and their true intentions. So your person current feelings and the true intentions. Under the deck, three of swords. Sagittarius, your person is missing you a lot for sure. They are overthinking. Some of you are dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and some of you are dealing with Leo fire sign, and some of you are dealing with Scorpio water sign. But I'm seeing overthinking here. I'm seeing your person is missing you a lot. And their current feelings, the Empress, Three of Wands, and Queen of Swords. So right now they are on their power. They're thinking that you are very, very stubborn. And lots of you are in long distance here, living in different cities, states, or countries. And their intentions, death, the sun, and judgment. But I want to clarify death card here. Nine of Pentacles and Ten of Pentacles. I think for some family issues involved here. So your person is thinking about new beginning, but again, I'm seeing your person is selfish here. They ended this relationship for their personal growth. What I'm getting here, but they know they did wrong. They're thinking about you very positively. They're still thinking about the new beginning because they are feeling heartbroken here. Three of Swords energy and overthinking energy here. And lots of you are dealing with Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. A lot of earth energies here. So let's see your current feelings, Sagittarius. Hermit, some of you are dealing with Virgo, it's sign. So Sagittarius, you are deeply thinking about your person right now. But you don't want to express your feelings, and you're thinking about the third party, you're thinking about the new beginning for sure. But right now you are going through a tower moment also. So let's see your intentions. See, you are trying to heal from this pain. Four of Swords with the Lovers card. Some of you are dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Gemini. Because you are feeling ghosted by them, you are feeling neglected by them, you are in so much pain. You are feeling stuck, you are in so much pain, but you are trying to come out of this energy. You are shifting your focus. You are trying to shifting your focus here. But you need to heal yourself, Sagittarius, because I'm seeing heavy energy from your side, because 10 of swords, the hanged man, and 8 of swords. Oh my god. See, 8 of swords with hanged man and 10 of swords. See your energy. So you need to come out of this energy as soon as possible. If you are unable to come out of this energy, ask for help. It is very very important, because you are overthinking. You are in a pattern right now. You need to break this pattern. Otherwise, you will spoil your mental health. So let's see, will they take any action or not. So I want to clarify Seven of Swords here. Definitely, they want to take action, but they're feeling that uh, they cheated you. They cheated on you. Definitely, your person have some guilty here, because Seven of Swords, but they want to take action. I think slowly they are getting clarity here. They're thinking about the third party. They're thinking about what had happened between you and your person. But Queen of Pentacles, Seven of Swords is clarified by Queen of Pentacles. It's all about feeling guilty, and some of you are dealing with Leo fire sign. But at the same time, your person is thinking about the new beginning here. Definitely, they have thoughts regarding new beginning. So let's clarify the Strength card here. See, the Fool, it's a double confirmation. They want a new beginning for sure. Some of you are dealing with Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, lot of earth energy. So do you want to take any action from your end, Sagittarius? The Emperor and Three of Cups and Five of Swords. So Sagittarius, the Emperor, Three of Cups. You are feeling very, very stubborn right now. You are on your power. You are just enjoying your time with your friends or loved ones. But regarding this person, you are feeling that they backstabbed on you, they cheated on you. You are not happy for what had happened between both of you guys. So that's why you don't want to take any action. Right now, you're just focusing on yourself, or you're just trying to focusing on yourself. So that's why you don't want to take any action here. So let's see what is the near future outcome of this relationship and where this relationship is headed. Queen of Wands, Page of Swords, and Seven of Wands and Six of Cups. See, you both want this relationship. You both want to reconcile with you. Right now, you both are spying on each other. There is a passion. At the same time, you both are ready to fight for this connection. But one person is in a defensive energy. So let's clarify the outcome here. Definitely thinking about the past, thinking about new beginning. And first, the world. First, you both need to end this cycle. Then you both need to start a new cycle, because I'm seeing a repetition of pattern here. So you both need to break the pattern, otherwise the same cycle will repeat between you and your person. Definitely both are meant to be together. Definitely I'm seeing strong soulmate connection. Even though right now you both are in separation, you both want this relationship. Some of you are dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see what is the advice for you regarding this relationship or situation. Page of Cups means communication, apology. You are expecting communication, you are expecting apology from their and Sagittarius. And Nine of Swords, don't overthink. If you overthink, you will lose your mental peace. And I think you are focusing inward, and you are on the right path. So just try to focus inward rather than outward. You will get your answers. Spend some quality time with yourself. Everything will be fine. But I'm not seeing any major reconciliation here. But uh, you both are spying on each other for sure. Uh, and your person is feeling guilty for sure. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If anyone need a personal reading, I'm giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me. Please do share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.